You're welcome to another trading session. I'm doing this training because just today alone, I've received calls from 2 persons asking me how long it will take them to sell their soap after production, or how long will it take their soap to dry, especially when they are producing using the semi-hot method after production. I told them that I can produce soap at 7 p.m. and I'll mold it at 7 a.m. the next day, and I'll be able to sell it. In fact, one told me that her soap stays for like 2 weeks before it. I was like, wow. Then how would you make a business out of that? If you need to produce a soap and leave it for 2 weeks before you sell it, before you know, you'll be out of business, because you need to be selling every day for you to remain in business. So I've decided to do this video to show you how I produce my soap, and it will get dried in less than 12 hours, and I will sell that soap using the semi-hot method, my own method, not the method that other people teach. Okay, so let's look at the items that I'll be doing this experiment using just 500 ml of oil. This is 500 ml of oil. This is my soda ash. This is my caustic soda, and this is my water. This is my fragrance, and I'll be adding a little bit of color. So come with me. Let's go right into production. So this is my caustic soda. I'll measure my water. That's my water, and here is my caustic soda. So note that always pour in your acid into water, not the other way around, so that it doesn't splash. So this is my water. I'm going to make my lye solution now. So this is my lye. This is my caustic soda. So I'll pour it in, and I'll stir until it is well dissolved. I'll stir, and then I'll add my oil. And I'll cover it. This is I want to make my soda solution. So just watch me and see what happens. And I want to mix my color. I'll add a little bit of oil. And I'll mix my color. Ensure you're using an oil-based color so that you can incorporate properly into your soap. So here is it. So just watch the magic I will do, and I will be unmolding it to let you see how it turns out when I'm unmolding it. So let's just wait a little bit more. Just want to show you that you can produce your soap and you sell it every single day. I can produce my soap in the morning, unmold it in the afternoon, and sell it. So I don't need to wait for 2 weeks before I sell my soap. Hope you're following me. Remember, I'm producing this soap with only 500 ml of oil. And I produce this soap in less than 5 minutes. I'm done making my soap. So I'll add my color. And I'll add my fragrance. So our soap is ready. Okay. So here is our soap. So even if you're making your soap, immediately you're going to know if your soap will be strong or not. Immediately you will know. How will you know? Don't worry. When you join my class, I will teach you how you will know how whether your soap will be strong. So I'm making this soap this evening. This is just almost 5 p.m. I'm in Lagos, Nigeria. So this is almost 5 p.m. and I'm making this soap. So I'm going to mold it in the morning. I will tell you the time. In fact, I will mold it before 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. I'm going to mold it. So we'll see if it will be strong or not. So let's even see how many molds I can get from my half liter of oil. This soap will be very, very beautiful. Very, very. Are you smelling so well? You want to know the fragrance I use? I will tell you when you join my class. It's smelling so, so well. So, so well. Do you see? Are you seeing how many molds, how many soap you're getting from just half liter of oil? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing how many molds? Did you see how many molds we got from just look at how many molds we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So tomorrow morning I'm going to unmold it and I'm going to weigh so that you see what one of the soaps will weigh. You see all I got from half liter. And we are also going to judge if it will be strong. I'm ready for sale tomorrow. So wait till tomorrow. Thank you. Okay, so you're welcome back this morning. So this is like 7 a.m. here in Lagos, Nigeria. And these are the soaps that we produced at 5 p.m. yesterday evening. You can see they are already very, very strong. This is 10 mode. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to be unmolding it so that we see them. You see how, you see? Do you see? Do you see? You see that they are already very, very strong. I can sell them this morning if I want to sell them. Can you see? Can you see? Are you seeing what I'm doing? Can you see? So the soaps are already, I produced these soaps at 5 p.m. yesterday. And this is 7 a.m. this morning. And they are ready, very strong. So I can sell them. I can sell them this morning if I want to sell. So here we have them. So tell me, so why would I want to keep this soap for 2 weeks before I sell them? You can see that with my method of making soap using the semi-hot method, you don't need to keep soap. You can make your soap today and even sell it. If I had made it yesterday morning, then I can sell it yesterday evening if I wanted to take it to the market in the evening. So you're not doing it right. That is why you cannot sell it exactly the same day you made them. So if you think you want to learn how to make soap using the semi-hot method the proper way, you can just give me a call or send me a WhatsApp message on the number you're seeing above. I do online trainings and I also do physical trainings, but you must be ready to come to our factory in Lagos in Ikoyi. But my online training is equally very, very okay. I've trained students from all over, from Ghana, from Kenya, from all over, and they are doing very well in our online training. And it's also very, very affordable. I don't just train you and leave you. I train you, I guide you, and I ensure you succeed because I don't just train, I also sell soap and I have sold soap for 10 years. So I understand perfectly that challenge that you're having because I am not just a trainer. I also sell soap and I have sold soap commercially for 10 years and counting. So thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Okay, so let me show you the weight of the soap. So You see 163. Let's choose another one and see 144. We're going to take an average 162. Let's assume that the average weight is 150 kg and I got 10 bars from just half liter of palm kernel oil. You can see it. 10 bars, 10 of these bars, 10 of these bars, 10 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 from just half liter of oil. If you're not making your soap using my method, you're probably not making profit from your business and you can make profit. Thank you.